They say when you're good, good things happen. And so the small boat is trying to do some good. And today, something remarkable happened. Please share with us this wonderful day when Manchester City Football Club decided to surprise the small boat at our very home. Quite something. Nice smile. This is, trust me, this is never going to work. Well, who knows, it might. I should have asked you, Alice. This is great. Let's hope they win the FA Cup now as well, eh?